The first day in this journey didn't go as awesome as planned. My trade-in option didn't go as expected. The value of my option is currently minus 54% at the moment. I am still holding on that option. I haven't sold it yet. I will explain later in the video why it went wrong. Also, there were no good buying entries for me in the crypto world. As soon as the mainstream media mentioned that Bitcoin broke its all-time high ever, Bitcoin price dropped and took the other altcoins with it. And then it recovered a little bit. But it turned into a rollercoaster ride. Dividend stocks. Let's start with Oxford Lane Capital Corp. I really want to invest in this dividend stock. But I waited a bit to see if I could get it cheaper in the coming days. Because yesterday the shareholders received their dividend payments. And it seems that today they reinvested some of that dividend back into Oxford Lane Capital Corp. The stock price of Oxford went up with 3% in value today. Cornerstone Strategic Value Fund. I wanted to buy this stock as well. But I waited as well. As I have mentioned before, they cutting their dividends in the first quarter of 2021. So I am waiting to see if the stock drop more in value. It started red today. But because of the good news from China and the corona vaccines, the stock price turned into green. So what went wrong with option trading? In the pre-market video I told you about what my trading strategies with options would be for which situations. Now two situations came out. And I act upon it. Follow the strategy. But here is what went wrong. I start with Apple first. The stock price of Apple opened at $121. So according to my strategy, I did nothing. In the end Apple closed at the stock price of $122.66. So I am not convinced yet that Apple has break its resistance level. So I didn't buy a call option of 125. So far no problem. With Goldman Sachs I made a stupid move. It was really dumb of me. Goldman Sachs opened at $231.98. As I described in the pre-market, I would buy a call of 235 with their expiration date of December 4th. So I placed my order for $1.70. I was being greedy. I should have bought the option at the selling price, which was $1.90. At the highest point the value of that option $2.60. I would have sold it at $2.50. That was mistake number one. Mistake number two was that I went for other call option with strike price of $37.50. Because I couldn't get the call 235 for the price that I wanted it, I bought it for $1.48. At the highest point option had a value of $1.60. I thought the profits was too small. And Goldman Sachs was solid in its stock price. But then the last 2 hours it started to drop. Currently the value of my option is $0.71. So I hope that tomorrow Goldman Sachs will open higher and move past the $237 price point, so that I can make a profit. So this was my first trading day in this journey. Hopefully I do it better tomorrow. Hope you guys had a good trading section. At least I hope you guys didn't make the same mistake as I did. About crypto, I wanted to invest in Litecoin today. But there was no good buying entry for me. I released a YouTube video about it. Litecoin is doing some good stuff. As soon as the price is above 95 United States dollars, then I will buy it. I wish you guys a good day. If you guys like this video then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.